offer a guarantee on your after renovation cleaning service?
Yes, we proudly offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee on all after renovation and builders cleans in Melbourne. Here's what that means for you. If something wasn't done to your standard or ours, we'll come back and make it right. We'll walk through the job with you or send post-clean photos if you're not home. You'll never be left chasing a company or redoing the work yourself. Our entire business is built on trust, transparency, and top-tier results. We don't cut corners, we clean them. And we believe the job isn't finished until you're smiling and stress-free in your freshly cleaned space. That's why we've earned over 1,300 plus 5-star reviews, and why Melbourne homeowners trust us with their most important cleans.